YouTube friends, and welcome to So Aldo Style. On today's video, I will be wearing my me-made dresses. So all these garments that you see on the rack are all handmade by yours truly. I will be using these bags for the whole entire video and one pair of shoes, which is right here. It's going to be white sandals kind of day, just because white sandals is also very summery and fresh, and I think it's gonna go really well with all the dresses that I am going to be featuring today. I am also wearing layered gold necklaces to keep the look simple and very minimal. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I post 3 videos every week. Okay, so let's start with this dress that I am wearing today. This was a thrift flip or thrifted transformation, as we call it here on YouTube. This was a vintage dress, and this was a vintage skirt that I merged into one and formed a mixed print effect that I absolutely love. I also added this self-tie belt just to kind of tie everything, tie everything together and make it into a one uniform dress. So for the first DIY dress is one of those thrifted transformation sewing project. I simply merge a complementing garments together and form into a mixed print dress that I absolutely love, and it looks super trendy and stylish. This dress reminds me of Dolce & Gabbana dress. Of course, my version is way better just because it is very affordable and it's also a sustainable clothing, which I love so much. If you don't know, vintage fabrics are actually very beautiful and good quality. That's why I love transforming vintage dresses into something new. So anyway, I just paired this dress with those white block sandals that I recently purchased from DSW. I got it for like a good deal when they were having their 75% off on all their sandals. For the purse, I just used this crossbody bag that I purchased from TJ Maxx. The brand was from Calvin Klein. It is in the lightest shade of pink that really goes with this outfit. Red and pink are such a beautiful color combination. I said earlier, beautiful fabric doesn't need a lot of accessorizing, and this one is like a testament to that. For the next dress is going to be this vintage baby doll style dress. If you don't know what baby doll style dress is, it's actually a really baggy shapeless dress that has a high empire waist, or like high-waisted, so it looks like a baby doll. Didn't do a lot of changes with this dress just because I love the shape so much. I just resized it to fit me, and I changed the buttons just to give it a pop of color. The reason why I chose red just because the print has like red floral on it, so I thought the buttons will pick up that red color throughout the dress. So let's go ahead and style this one. For the second DIY dress, I am going to be styling it very simple, very minimal, but also classy and chic. This is a cute outfit to go on a barbecue or a picnic just because it is super flowy and it will hide the unnecessary bumps if you eat too much. For the purse, I decided to use this round rattan crossbody bag that is a summer staple in my closet. And I think it looks super chic and fashionable. So if you don't have one, I suggest you get one just because it will go with a lot of outfits. This look is very effortless and it looks age appropriate. Even though this is a baby doll, it doesn't make me look like I'm a toddler or something. So I absolutely love this outfit. So if you are thinking of getting a new purse to add to your summer capsule, I suggest to get this bag that I am using right now just because they are super trendy, but also a classic bag that will go with any outfits. This outfit is very simple and chic. I don't need a lot of accessories just because the dress is already the statement for this outfit. For the next dress is this beautiful dress with cap sleeve and a boat neck. I absolutely love this one. This was a vintage maxi skirt that I turned into a beautiful summer dress. I really love the color. I love the color combination, the pink and this like bluish, minty-ish beautiful color. I just absolutely love this dress. I made this like, I don't know, a long time ago, probably like 3 years ago, and I still love it. I wear it all the time. It has elastic waistband, and it's just a nice summer dress that is beautiful on its own. You don't need any more crazy accessories, just this dress. Beautiful fabrics makes a good accessory. This one is an absolute favorite of mine. This is probably the dress that I will never get rid of just because I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and style this one. The third DIY dress was also another sewing project for beginner because this dress did not require any sewing pattern. I simply used a maxi skirt and turn it into this one beautiful dress with elastic waistband. Because the dress has shade of pink on it, I decided to use the pink crossbody bag that is from TJ Maxx, but the brand is Calvin Klein. I think I mentioned that earlier. You can also get this from Macy's if you like this style. My gosh, I am really pleased with these white sandals. They go with a lot of outfits. Going to be another spring staple or summer staple in my closet just because it adds freshness to the outfit. White is such a beautiful neutral and will go with any outfit. I would say hello fresh with this outfit. Can easily throw on the black hat that's on the rack right now and it's going to look fabulous with this outfit. Or if I want it to be a girly girl outfit, I can also throw on a pink blazer or a pink cardigan. That's just going to elevate this beautiful summer dress. If you haven't watched the tutorial on how I made this dress, I'm going to have the link in the description below so you can go ahead and check it out. Guys, you are going to be blown away just because this sewing project was super easy. You don't need a sewing pattern, you just need a maxi skirt. You just have to get that extra long maxi skirt just because I'm only 4'11", so I can get away with it. But for the most part, you can turn any skirt into a dress or a top. For the next dress is this beautiful organic cotton material dress. I really like it. This is a circle skirt dress and it has fitted bodice and it has a beautiful cap sleeve or a beautiful petal sleeve that I really like. I think it's such a beautiful detail for a rather simple dress. I really like this and the print is absolutely amazing. And you know, I love dresses. I love dresses. I also love blue. I love floral dresses. I think they are super pretty and very feminine. I really love floral dresses. So this one was actually from scratch. This has a circle skirt bottom with fitted bodice and petal sleeves. So I have separate tutorials on how to make those things. So if you want to make your own dress like this, I will leave all the link in the description box below so you can go ahead and make your own circle skirt dress. This is cotton. This is a perfect fabric for summertime. So let's go ahead and style this one. The fourth DIY dress. Hey, I noticed that the hemline is not even. Luckily, I haven't hem it yet, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Anyway, I absolutely love this combination. Blue and white is a perfect combination. It looks really fresh. I will say hello fresh again. And look at those petal sleeves. I absolutely love them. They look so darling. I said earlier, if you have a beautiful dress, you don't need a lot of accessories. Pairing it with simple accessories, you are always going to look put together and classy. Decided to use the light pink bag just so it adds a little bit of femininity on the outfit. It looks so elegant and chic. I will totally wear this if I get invited to a wedding. As I said earlier, white sandals are a summer staple and they can go with a lot of outfits, and it just adds that freshness to the outfit. It just looks so nice. If you think that you cannot wear white after Labor Day, that's actually not true. You can wear white any time of the year, just be sure to bundle up. White is very easy to style and very effortless, and you will always look put together. And here I decided to use the round rattan bag. As you can see, it goes with this dress as well. I just love the look of this dress. It looks classy but minimal. It's not overdone. So yeah, it's super simple. I just can't get enough of this outfit. Be sure if you are wearing a circle skirt dress, wear the appropriate undergarment just because this dress has a lot of twirl value. For the last dress is this beautiful sleeveless circle skirt dress. So this is a vintage material for this that I got at a flea market when we used to live in Texas. So I got like maybe 5 yards of this or maybe more because I have plenty left over that I can use for future sewing projects. But this one is absolutely beautiful just because the print is adorable. I also made a Filipiniana sleeves that I can attach to this dress. So if I want to wear Filipiniana sleeves to an event or to a special occasion, go ahead and style this one, shall we? For the last DIY dress is an sleeveless circle skirt dress. I really like the print. I love the ditzy print. Right now, small floral print is all the rage. For the purse, I decided to use the light pink one as well. It is so feminine and effortless. I absolutely love this dress. I love the cut of this dress. It is very flattering, especially for my petite size. The circle skirt give it some flowiness and it just makes it super feminine and effortlessly chic. I love circle skirt dresses just because they are flattering. This is another chic outfit that looks effortless. You can't go wrong with floral dresses. I love them so much. I mean, you see the rack here. I have like tons of floral dresses. I just love floral dresses. I'm not into abstract just because those type of prints makes me dizzy. So floral is my thing. Really pleased with this outfit. I can even wear this to church, just layer it with a cardigan or maybe a blazer, then I am good to go. But of course right now we can't go anywhere because of the lockdown. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Wear your mask, wash your hands, and practice social distancing. So that's it, you guys, and I hope you like this video. If you would like to see me wear all my me-made dresses, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every week. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!